Hello everybody, welcome to another unboxing video. This time I'm going to show you pink colored keyboard. I could not find any happy colored type of keyboard and decided to check on Akko, who used to cooperate with Ducky company on one of their models. So let's check it out. This model is Akko 3108 version 2 mechanical gaming keyboard in the theme World Tour Tokyo with 108 keys. The keyboard is with 85% PBT Doubleshot Keycaps and with Akko Sky Blue Switches. It is wired through USB Type-C detachable cable. The reason why I have ordered Sky Blue Switches is that those were the only ones available on the stock. It supports Akko Macro version 1 without any additional driver, and I will post a link down below the video so that you can check the functions of the macro. Package contains keyboard, keycap puller, dustproof cover, 6 extra keycaps and USB Type-C cable. The features: the keycaps are made of 85% PBT material. There are 6 extra novelties keycap to decorate your keyboard. Spacebar and 2 unique enter keys are processed with Dye-sublimation printing technology. Detachable USB Type-C cable is more convenient for your use. You can detach it anytime, whenever you are cleaning your desk, and then plug it back in. It has Akko Sky Blue switches, meaning the clicky types. Those have 60 grams of actuation with 1.5 up to 2.4 mm pre-travel and 4 mm total travel. It is nicely packed and the keyboard has traveled long distance, so the keycaps are loosened. So let me just press on every single key to make sure it's tightened. And we can check the clickiness of the Akko Sky Blue switches. In the meantime, don't hesitate to check the clickiness of the subscribe button. Let's check how loosened the keycaps are. So let's check the back side of the keyboard. As you can see, there is a USB Type-C connector. These are the keyboard stands, 2 positions, and the cable management is also present. So within the package, there was a keyboard, a dustproof cover, USB Type-C cable, keycap puller, and 6 extra keycaps. So let's connect the USB Type-C cable. As you can see, the connector as well as the cable has very nice rail, so it will prevent from eventually damaging the connector. And now is the time to customize your keyboard with some special keycaps. So let me just pull many of these off and I'll show you how the final keyboard looks like. And that's the final look of the keyboard, so don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button to see more.